Hi, Ty. Maybe. Just leave it on there. So, Kyle, no. I literally heard you say, kill Matt, right before the game started. My trust isn't exactly instilled with that. I don't, no, go away. Go away, I don't want to have to shoot you. Kyle, please. So, I don't know if you noticed what's happening over there. I don't. Please, no. I will shoot you, I swear to God.
Yeah, you can trust me this time for sure. I swear.
I don't know who to trust. Give me the knife first. You throw the knife down.
Can I pick it up?
I got it for you. There you go, buddy. Alright, I do not trust Ty. I have my intuition of a god.
Down?
Hit.